Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction about crystallization. And you may not so familiar with this word, but I believe everyone knows crystal, right? It's a we see our normal light crystal is just a shining and beautiful stone, and I believe girls like it just like the diamond, right?
Yeah.
But in general, the crystal in our chemical field is not only referred to that kind of stone. It is a kind of solid material which is constituent molecules, ions, or atoms well arranged in an orderly and repeating pattern in three dimension. Let's say dimension. Do you understand? Make sense? Okay, so this is the crystal, but I'm not going to talk about it very clearly in this class because what we need to talk about is crystallization. It's a process which can form a kind of solid just like crystal. Because sometimes when it's a process of formation of solid crystals precipitating from the solution, melt, or just sometimes even more rarely, we can see the solid just precipitating from a gas. Do you know precipitating? It means limestone at the bottom.
Condensation, maybe?
Yeah, a little, let me use
And
another
body
word,
gas in
deposit.
Uh-huh.
Okay, just like that, precipitating. So this is the process of crystallization, and sometimes we use this process to purify the solid. Since the early days of the alchemist, we can use the crystallization to purify a specific kind of solid, and this way is still used today to stand as the most useful way to purify the solid. So this is the concept of the crystallization, and I will give you a description about the process of crystallization. And crystallization, it's mainly depends on the fact that the solid will have a better solubility in hot solvent than a cold. It means it dissolves easily in hot solvent. So based on this fact, we need to just sometimes put the solid what we want to purify in the hot water or some other liquid like that at its boiling point to make this solid dissolved in this solvent. So this let's say hot mixture will be filtered and to remove those insoluble impurities, and only left the solid which dissolved in the solvent we want to purify. And after this process, the only thing left in this solid, left in this solution will be the solid we want to purify. And we want to purify. So based on this fact, we can get the solid we want. Because it is a process of purification, we want to choose a proper solvent we want, because different kind of solid will have a different solubility in different kinds of the liquid. If we choose the wrong kind of the liquid, the solid may not be purified so well, may not be separated. So that's the process. And do you have any question? It may be a little complicated for me to explain it because the word is dissolve, solubility or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I'm going to ask that. How can we get a diamond? I need one. Just
Diamond?
one. A diamond.
No. The diamond is not used this crystallization process to extract because it's
Okay.
dig out from the earth or
It's natural.
it's digged or something. Yeah. But what we want to say, what I want to say, crystallization is just a purification process. It means you need to remove some impurities from
Okay.
the specific kind of the solid. You just need to dissolve it and need when the solution cools down, something will crystallize again.
But you are saying that in natural way is different from lab because in lab is accelerate process. Yeah, something like that.
So what do you mean by it's different from
Or,
lab?
different from nature production of crystals.
Yeah, it's quite different because as a crystallization is almost used in a factory or something like that. It's a when you need to deal with the product you have already created and there are some impurities in it, and you use this process crystallization to deal with this fact to make it better and more pure. Then
Okay.
so how long is it? I mean, it's too short. Only 2 minutes left.
I can stop that.